What is up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRite. Today I'm going to be doing a drop test with the LG Stylo 4, and we're going to be seeing if it survives. We're going to be dropping it on the side of the phone, we're going to be dropping it on the front of the phone, and we're going to be dropping it on the back of the phone. But yeah, let's go ahead and start this video. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so as you see, we have the LG Stylo 4 here. We're going to be dropping it on the back, on the side, and we're going to be dropping it on the front of the screen. We're going to do all of this from waist height, and then we're going to try actually dropping it on the screen from waist height, and then we're going to go to shoulder height. So we're going to try all that right now. Alright guys, let's go ahead and drop this. Now, first of all, we're going to drop this on the back, so let's go ahead in 3, 2, 1, go. Probably did get a few scratches there, but we already had a ton of scratches on there already. Still looks pretty solid, honestly. We're gonna try that again though. We're gonna drop it on the back one more time. 3, 2, 1, go. Honestly, plastic seems to be doing fine. Just scratches pretty easily, but we're gonna try to do this on the side real quick. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so the stylus did pop out. Nothing looks like it broke though. Phone works fine. As you guys see, we do have some scratches on the side though. So it did suffer some scratches. A big scratch right there actually, as you guys can see. But it's still alive, still working. Alright guys, so last thing we're going to test is the screen. So we're going to drop the screen at shoulder height and at waist height and see what's up. So let's go ahead and drop this at waist height right here. 3, 2, 1. Let's see if it's still alive. And it's still alive, guys. Do keep in mind this is blacktop, so this is complete solid concrete. So the screen still looks nice. Obviously a few scratches, but still a usable phone. Now we're gonna try dropping it from shoulder height. That's this is pretty much shoulder height to me is probably like about 5'10". I'm about 6'4", so we're gonna go ahead and drop that from shoulder height right now. 3, 2, 1, go. Boom. That was a very hard drop. And our phone is still good. Everything's still good. A few scratches off the top, but pretty much still good. Really solid phone, guys. As far as dropping your phone on the screen, your screen should not crack. So if you want to rock this naked, you guys can go ahead and do that. But I would at least put a TPU case on this to keep the back from scratching. Alright guys, so we're going to be checking the aftermath of this phone. As you guys see, the screen didn't really add any more scratches. There are a few scratches up here, maybe some baby scratches that were added to the screen, but honestly the deep scratches that I got were from elsewhere. Only real scratches that we got in here were the sides. When we dropped it on the side of the phone, we actually chipped it up a bit. As you guys can see, we have a huge chip right there on the metal part, so you are going to be chipping the phone if you drop it from the side, so I definitely do recommend a case. Also kind of scuffed up the top of the phone as well, but not too bad honestly for that high of a drop. We also have all these scratches on the back. You guys do know that this does have a weak back, so if you want a TPU case, I think you guys would be like pretty good with a TPU case on here. Dropped it many more times before on the screen and it's honestly worked fine. Everything just works perfectly, and yeah, everything went through pretty smoothly. I honestly thought the screen was gonna break. I didn't think it was gonna be this tough because it doesn't have Gorilla Glass, but honestly proved me wrong right here, so pretty cool. But yeah, if you want me to do more drop tests like this, definitely leave it in the comments down below so I know it. Also hit that like button if you guys did enjoy the video, and subscribe if you guys are not a part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload. Without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and sign out. This has been Stefan from TechRite. Peace out, Tech Gang.